Hello guys, it's Luis with Blackbox. So I'm going to keep this video really short. I just want to touch bases on 3 of the most frequently asked questions, or at least the things that are happening with Blackbox at the moment. The first question that I want to touch on here, or the first subject, is the issue with IpTv. Unfortunately, we lost IpTv and the whole Kodi community took that hit. Obviously, that's something that is completely out of our control. Since the add-ons that we access and the ones that Blackbox lets you access are completely open source and free based on the developer that puts them up there. So the moment that they decide that they want to make their app or their service not free anymore, unfortunately they have the right to do that, and that's just something that's completely out of our control here. Which leads me into my second point. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about why certain things stop working, or if they stop working, is it my box or what's going on here? Well, the reason that certain add-ons they stop working, or the reason that they have issues, you guys have to remember that it's not the box itself that's having issues. Unless the box is flashing on and off and it's not connecting to the internet, then it's just a problem with the add-on. You guys have to remember that Blackbox is not the service provider for any one of these add-ons or any one of these apps, as well as we're not affiliated to any one of them. What the Blackbox does is it allows you to access this content the same way that your phone lets you download apps. The moment that the developer decides that the app wants to be gone, like in for instance, the case with Flappy Bird, it was there one moment, the developer didn't like it and he took it down and then it was gone. Just like that. So we're not the service provider for any one of these add-ons or any of the content that you guys actually stream or have access to on the Blackbox. Which also, like I said, just leads me into my next issue here, which is one of the bigger ones that I've been getting. Why does the things that I watch, or the content that I watch, buffer so much? Well, this has to do a lot with your internet speed and the bandwidth that you have at home. Think of it as a freeway with traffic. Once you start having, obviously, a lot of cars on the freeway, it starts slowing down, and that's what starts to happen with your guys' bandwidth and your guys' Wi-Fi or internet connection. If it's beginning to buffer a lot, it could be either that there's too much traffic on the server that you guys are trying to access the movie or whatever it is that you guys are watching, or it could be that you guys have a lot of traffic and there's a lot of things going on your guys' Wi-Fi or internet at the moment. So just please keep that in mind. I primarily have the tech support for anything that's wrong with the box. Of course, I'm here to help you guys with the add-ons as well, but there's only so much that I can do, and as of now, I'm doing the best I can. So that's basically the issue with the add-ons at the moment. And one of my final things that I would like to talk about is the new interface for Blackbox. Blackbox is evolving. We are an open source project, and I'm continually doing work to these boxes. So at the moment, we do have a new interface. I am going to be making it available to everybody. Only our newer boxes that have shipped out or that have been sold within like the last month or so have this new interface, and it's a whole lot easier than just regular Kodi. A lot of people can just sell you something with Kodi, but what you're getting with Blackbox is a completely custom built function of that, because we can take Kodi and we can just change a lot of the things to make it customizable, to make it easier for you guys to access, because if not, Kodi would just be very difficult for everybody to use. So please keep that in mind. As far as the technical support goes, guys, I am a regular person as well. Please try to keep the calls and the text messages within business hours, just because I've been getting a lot of phone calls and a lot of text messages, at around like 12 o'clock or midnight. I know that that's around the time that I usually begin to work on the boxes, but please, guys, keep in mind, we are trying to run a legitimate business here. So try to keep them within the regular business hours, so I can better assist you, or I can help you out. I am in the moment of expanding and looking to hire and add to our team, so that's going to go ahead and help me bring down the response time. But as far as everything else goes, guys, please share the page. Please share the profile. If you guys have not added the group, please friend request Blackbox the profile so that I can add you, and I can add you to the private group. This is a private group for our private Blackbox community, where I will be posting up videos, how-tos, and tricks on exactly how to do different things. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.